Roblox is a gaming platform that allows the users to both play games as well as develop their own. Thanks to this approach, plus a unique economy that it has in system, this game has taken off, and it's huge. However, this stock has also proven to be one of the most volatile stocks I've ever been involved with. So even though I do like its long-term prospects, it's important to manage this one tightly and to know that it could sell off dramatically from any level where it's at. This week, I decided to use stop-loss limit orders to lock in some gains if Roblox decided to sell off, and sell off it did. My order went through on Wednesday at $45.60 and locked in 52.51% in gains on shares that I bought for $29.90 back on April 27th of 2022. This sale only lowered my per share cost 0.11% down to $44.85. But for me, it was more important to take some risk off the table because it really did appear that Roblox was finding resistance, which it did. As you can see, from the point where I sold to the low on Friday, it sold off more than 11%. So I narrowly avoided that, but we're right back below my cost basis once again. From here, my next buy target is at $33.60, a bit below this and even a bit below its last point of support that you can see back in May. However, I believe Roblox can hit this, and if it doesn't get that low, it's a high quality problem. It's found a bottom above where I think it could go. Since Roblox did find quick resistance at the current level, I've decided to try and take even more profits if it tests this level again. So my next sell target is at $46.15, slightly below a high that it just saw this week. Roblox is a fascinating long-term play because it also plays on the metaverse. However, Roblox is extraordinarily volatile, so you have to go in knowing that. I manage my risk very tightly, and I use small quantities both in buying and selling to mitigate as much risk as possible. When a stock bounces around this much, it can be exciting, but you can get underwater in a hurry.